And I've also talked about the fact that in past that it also helps you generate forex. So there's so much opportunity around the fact that you are doing business in the export market. In fact, one of the other important reasons is, apart from growth, it also helps you with diversification. Thank you very much, and you're welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on DBA TV. My name is Dele Ayemibo, and I'm your export doctor. In this video, I'll be talking about why you need to export. I've been saying a lot of things about why you need to export in the past, and I still have a lot to say. So today I'll be talking about one of the reasons: to create opportunity for growth. Opportunity for growth. And also opportunity to create job for others. Opportunity for growth. The desire of every business is to grow and become very big. So you can take care of your need and also take care of the need of others. Always remember that the goal of the business is to be profitable, to take care of your need and the need of others. Those others can be people in your organization, otherwise called staff, or others can be people outside the organization, otherwise called corporate social responsibility. Now, some people will tell me and said, there's opportunity in the local market. I'm not even meeting the demand. Why should I go abroad? And I've said, going abroad gives you opportunity for growth. That means you can grow more. In fact, sometimes you have competition in the local market that is hindering your growth. Sometimes you have challenges in the local market, maybe distribution, that is hindering your growth. Whereas, if you ship the product to other markets around the world, you are going to find people who will be able to help you distribute, and you can find yourself selling much more than you are even doing in the local market. And that helps you to be able to grow. The reason why you should think of growing is because it helps you to be able to create jobs and reduce poverty. I believe strongly you should think of your business not just for the purpose of making money, because I tell people that, look, if it's just to make money, it's sometimes if you think deeply about life, at some point in life you realize that when you get to the point that you can afford anything you want, you now realize that life is actually much more than making money. Life is actually about creating value and being a blessing to others. Those are the things that create satisfaction. So the more you can grow and create more jobs, the more you can grow and create more opportunity, the better for you. In fact, you also want to leave a legacy afterwards. And that's what a business does for you. But now talking about export. Sometimes when you try to do business outside, there's so much you learn that make you to grow internally. For example, there is more demand for your product. So because of this demand for your product, you are able to sell more. Because you're able to sell more, you are able to grow. Now, but it also can help you to become competitive locally. Because there is more demand, more volume, growth is coming, look at what will happen. You can also achieve what is often called economy of scale. You can also achieve what is called economy of scale. And if you achieve what they call economy of scale, what that then does for you is, it then make it easier for you. It then make it easier for you to sell at a lower price in the local market. Does that make sense to you? So you should think of growth and the growth opportunity that is provided for as a result of international trade. Another reason is because, sometimes you also want to have a global brand. You don't want to just be a local brand. Because now, particularly when you are thinking of building legacy, you want to build a global brand, a brand that have access to market around the world. And I've also talked about the fact that in past that it also helps you generate forex. So there's so much opportunity around the fact that you are doing business in the export market. In fact, one of the other important reasons is, apart from growth, it also helps you with diversification of your risk. Look at this. Look at this. You know, sometimes there will be recession in the local market. Opportunity in the local market shrinks. But there is opportunity in the export market. Huge opportunity in the export market. In fact, sometimes your product life cycle has ended locally. You need to reinvent it to create a new life cycle for it and give it another life. But that same product in another market is going to take on at that level where it is without any innovation, it will take up a new life cycle in that market. So the idea is you can now be recession proof and become a business that is very resilient just because you are not just selling in the local market, you are also selling in the export market. That's why I said, don't embrace the tyranny of the or, either export or selling locally, but engage the genius of the and, selling both locally and in the export market. Selling both locally and in the export market. Engage the genius of the and, not the tyranny of the or. Engage the genius of the and, not the tyranny of the or. What that does for you is to make it easier for you to survive. To survive. So the next time someone tells you that no, you should meet up the demand in the local market going to the export market, tell him that going into the export market is strategic. It's a means of survival for your business. It's a means of generating foreign exchange. If you need forex, you know there are parents today who need forex. They need forex, not for themselves, for the children. Because their children are abroad and their children need forex to pay the school fees. Export can help you convert your naira to or cedis or wacha or rand to dollars. And that means then you can use it to pay your bill in different markets around the world or different countries around the world. So don't just look at local market, look beyond local market and see what you can do in the export market. The opportunity is so rewarding. Another benefit is that, you know, sometimes you don't even know what your competitors are doing. Your competitor has gone very far, but you are a local champion, one-eye king in the land of the blind. Exporting can help you to become competitive in the local market. And because exporting can help you to become competitive in the local market, you now realize that beyond the increased revenue, beyond the increased growth, beyond the increased opportunity you have by virtue of going into the export market or considering export, there are huge opportunities for you to even survive in the domestic market. You can discover better way of packaging. You can discover better design for your product. You can discover new variant you never even knew existed in that field. You can discover a lot of other innovation that, and even not just innovation, even where to go to do it. And immediately you implement those new innovations, it makes you a champion, even in the domestic market, such that your competitor in the domestic market now want to copy you. I believe this video have shown you the reason why you need to consider export. If this video has been of immense benefit to you, please give it a thumbs up. If you have friends who are also thinking of export but still not very convinced it's something they should do, send them this video. I believe this video will help them to be able to take that decision. Share with them. If you have questions, please drop it in the comment section. Let's hear from you. If you are looking at a way of reaching us, check the description box. You'll be able to reach us. You see how to reach us. More importantly, if you are new to this channel, join us, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to know when we upload the next video, Click on the notification bell so you know when we upload the next video. Thank you very much for stopping by again. My name remains Dela Imibo, and I am your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.